Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield on this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option a display. Then here you can see the option eye comfort shield. Turn on this one. So now your screen will reduce the blue light. If you tap on this one, you can customize this one also. Okay. If you want to customize the eye comfort shield timing, tap on the option custom. Then here you can set the schedule. Sunset to sunrise. Otherwise, you can customize the timing also. Okay. So the benefit is it reduces the blue light from the screen. It helps protect your eyes at night, like the dark mode also. So make the screen more comfortable. So simply in this way, we can enable the eye comfort shield on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.